I'm Deeksha Shetty. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a review on 2 household products from Amazon. It's from the brand Casa, and this was sent to me for review purpose from one of my subscribers. So without wasting time, let's get started. Let's see how the product is. Now about the packaging, guys, this is how it was sent. I'm going to post a picture of it somewhere here. The first thing I got are this set of 2 Chairpads. This is how it looks. I'll give a close-up picture of it somewhere here. And so this Chairpads can be used on your dining table or your office chair or your car, and the size of this is 40 centimeter into 40 centimeters. The size is pretty good, and the fabric used here is cotton, 100% cotton, really good. The fabric is very thick, and underneath or inside this there is this cotton fabric. And what I really like about this cushion is that it's not very soft, it is kind of firm, so it gives that grip while you're sitting. And even if you have like backaches or if you are not comfortable using your chair at office, then I think this is really good. It's going to give that a good support on your back. And there are a lot of color options available. I think 8 to 10 colors. You can check that out. I'm going to give the link in the description box. If you want to decorate your house, or if you have just a plain boring dining table, I'll tell you guys, this is going to really look nice. And the best part of this cushion is that it comes with these kind of straps, so you can actually tie it on the chair so that it won't slip off. And everything about this is really good. The price of this is 598 rupees for 2 pieces, which I think is very reasonable, and I would like to rate it 4 out of 5. I'm going to deduct 1 just because you can't wash it at home. If you get any stains on this, then you'll have to find a DIY to clean this off. Other than that, it is really good. Now if you want to purchase it, I'm going to give the link in the description box. Now guys, there are a lot of color options, you can choose from that. So the next thing is really interesting. I never knew something of this existed. So it is ironing pad. Now this is how it came. This is the packaging, and they delivered it within 1 day. If you're someone like me who really don't like to use those ironing pads, then this is really a good option. It's this mat which comes with the silicone thing where you can actually keep your hot iron box and not burn your clothes. And the fabric used here is cotton. On the other side there's this slip resistant thing, so it's going to be, it's not going to move unlike your normal cotton fabric. The best part is you can fold it and keep it in your cupboard without, it won't take any space at all.
I thought I should include the small demo to see if the silicone pad is of a good quality or not, if it's going to melt or not. So I've heated my iron box for about 5 minutes now, and you can see the red light is turned green. It was sitting here for about 5 minutes and my silicone pad is not melted. So it's a plus point. So I would rate the silicone pad 5 out of 5 because it has done its job, and I'm really impressed. So I'm really sorry guys, I'm not a lefty, so ironing in my left hand is a little difficult, but other than that it's nice. Even the fabric or the cotton, the thickness of the cotton is so good that it's not folding, and there's no wrinkles while I iron. So super good. It's very easy to fold and keep, so it can get very tiny. Now you just have to fold it, and there's an elastic band with velcro tape, so you can actually just tie it or just keep it in shape.
The price of this is just 698 rupees, which I think is reasonable. I would like to give this 5 star because I really like this product. And if you want to purchase this, I'm going to give the link in the description box below. And Encasa has a lot of products on Amazon. You can check their curtains. They have this ironing pads as well, and cushion covers. There are a lot of products from their brand. Do check it out if you want to purchase them.
When you type Encasa on Amazon's search here, this is what you see. They have lots of products, mats, yoga mats, silicone, heat resistant pads, canvas sheets, pillows, colorful pillows. What's best about this about their product is that all their products have like 3 to 4 stars, which I think is great. And what I really like from this product is this Encasa foam yoga mat. It's super good. I'm planning to buy this one.
And that's it, guys. I hope you liked today's review. If you want me to review on any other products, do let me know in the comment section below. And guys, if you're not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and share the video. It's completely free. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so that whenever I upload a video, you'll get a notification. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.